This is a Hollywood Racks Rack Valet, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. When you unbox it, it's going to come with some pieces for the frame, some carriage bolts to put it together, and then some casters. It's also going to come with the wrench, but the wrench is a piece of junk, so get rid of it and get a 13 millimeter and a 17 millimeter wrench. The frame is assembled like this. You want the slope facing that way, so along that side. Carriage bolts go up underneath. And then you're going to put a washer and a lock washer. And then a nut. Carriage bolt up. Washer, lock washer, and a nut. And tighten that guy up. Don't over tighten it. You just want to get it snuggy, because if you tighten it anymore, it's going to bend that and make it look weird. So you're just going to snug her up, kind of a little tight, snuggy tight. Put this guy over here, carriage bolt up. In, washer, lock washer, nut. And then, uh-oh, I'm missing the nut. Oh, there's washer, washer. Where'd the other nut go? Son of a gun. All right. Carriage bolt in. Washer. Lock washer. Where is the other nut at? Did it fly down to the bottom? All right, I'm going to pause this while I look for the nut. And we're back. Could not find it, but I went to my supply of nuts and I got one that fits. That's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. And that's why you always keep, whenever you have extra hardware for stuff, you always keep it. Because I had a nut in my little box that works. So tighten him up and we're good. The casters go in. Washer, lock washer, nut, and you're going to want to hold the caster down here, down on the bottom right there when you tighten it. So it doesn't spin. Do not over tighten them because it's going to crush this tubing. So he goes in, washer, lock washer. Hold it and then tighten. And the last caster. there you go. It's all assembled. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy one of these guys. And if you have any questions, leave a comment.